Because of their high delicacy and aromatic qualities, the Darjeeling spring teas are called the champagne of tea. The spring harvest in Darjeeling, known as First Flush, is eagerly awaited by tea connoisseurs all over the world. Produced in very small quantities, these spring teas contain a large proportion of young shoots, the golden tips. These tips offer, after the monsoon rest, high concentration of essential oils and aromas, and the so characteristic almond note. But even the best tea will be ruined if 3 simple steps are not followed, as I have previously found to my cost. Choosing the wrong quality and the wrong temperature of the water, not measuring the quantity of the tea leaves, and not even paying attention to the time of infusion. Led to a disappointing, dark, bitter and astringent liquid. This is Margaret's Hope Darjeeling 15 Moonlight. If prepared with care and awareness, the complexity of its taste might surprise you. According to a Chinese proverb, water is the mother of tea. Since water represents more than 99% of your cup of tea, Lu Yu, an 8th century Chinese tea master and author of the Classic of Tea, advise preparing tea with water taken from the same source that has watered the tea plants. Water from the same region as the tea is the most suitable, he wrote. But pure mountain spring water is also acceptable, he admitted. If you live in a city, like me, mountain water will be difficult to find. You can use neutral mineral water or filtered water instead. Some tea experts recommend mildly acidic water, known to enhance the floral aromas of the spring Darjeeling teas. Each tea has its optimal brewing temperature. For the spring Darjeeling tea, the good temperature is 85 degrees centigrade. If the water is too hot, the tannins responsible for bitter taste and astringency will be more prominent than the volatile aroma compounds. It's early spring, but my room feels quite cold. This is why I'm warming my tea set first. Next, I need to weigh the amount of tea leaves for the sake of precision. The tare feature resets the scale to 0 and automatically subtracts the weight of the teapot from my subsequent measurements. For this type of tea, I am using 5 grams of tea leaves for 300 milliliters of water. Now I am rinsing the leaves briefly with a small amount of water. Some tea sommeliers discard this first water, using it simply to warm the cups. But for me, this first liquid is precious. I call it the first handshake with the tea. The bouquet of aromas after just a few seconds of infusion is a real treat for the senses. Try it. Now the real infusion begins. As goes another proverb, time is of the essence. And no more than 50 seconds for this first infusion. The duration of the infusion is crucial to the taste and varies according to the type of tea. Too extended an infusion produces a high concentration of heavy tannins, responsible for bitter, astringent flavors. The last drops of the infusion are precious because they contain the most concentrated aromas. This tall, narrow aroma cup enables me to fully enjoy the bouquet. The wider cup, on the other hand, helps the liquor cool down and is designed for tasting. Besides the almond and toasted breadcrumb fragrances, this Darjeeling surprised me with its fruity, zesty notes and a hint of freesia. But you might wish to prepare tea for more guests than just yourself. In that case, favor smaller volumes of water when preparing high-quality Gong Fu tea. Please avoid increasing the quantity of leaves in proportion to the quantity of water, as we usually do in Europe. Preparing simultaneously 2 or more smaller teapots or improvised vessels is better than one large classical teapot. You can adapt the procedure according to whatever facilities and utensils are available to you at the time. The essential aim being to take the time and prepare the very best tea. After all, you deserve it. And so does the tea.